Do you think we'll see Spence in 2020?
Yeah, why not? What, he's got to put two teeth back in and he's good? No, I mean, I don't think he got that badly hurt, right?
Thankfully, straight though.
Yeah. Think about this.
Yeah.
If you're wearing a seatbelt, it would be worse. Everybody makes like seatbelts are for safety. Seatbelts are for tickets, so they can give you tickets and the government can make money. Seatbelts are not for safety. If the seatbelts were about safety, motorcycles would be illegal.
Paulie, I always want to ask you this because you come from like a purist point of view. Are you this weight class jumping? Is that bothering you? People going up 2 weight classes, or they're going, going up, down, up, down.
I mean, I think if you see weight class jumping and fights are won with power in those weight class jumping, then yeah, of course it's fraudulent. It's probably PEDs, you know? Okay. I think if you see weight class jumping and fights are won with a cunning deception and a shrewdness, because the power is gone and you have to be more attentive to defense, and you have to be more attentive to, activity and being shrewd, because you're not going to be able to hurt your opponent, but they're going to be able to hurt you a lot more, which is what naturally happens as you go up in weight. Then, you can be appreciated the weight class jumping. It's happened in the past, but it's all in how you're winning going up in weight. If I see guys going up in weight and they're winning in a certain manner, of course it's PEDs. If they're winning in a different manner, it can be appreciated. It all depends.